Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Hello children, today we are continuing our previous topic, that is 3-letter words, sound I. So let's start. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. Next is F-I-N, fin. F-I-N, fin. F-I-N, fin. F-I-N, fin. Next is B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. Next is L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. Next is D-I-D, did. D-I-D, did. D-I-D, did. D-I-D, did. Next, K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Now children, once again, repeat with me sound I words. B-I-G, big. P-I-G, pig. F-I-G, fig. H-I-T, hit. F-I-T, fit. S-I-T, sit. F-I-N, fin. B-I-N, bin. P-I-N, pin. L-I-D, lid. D-I-D, did. K-I-D, kid. So children, what did we learn today? 3-letter words, sound I. Have a nice day.